Hello everyone, we received an iPhone 7 from a fan today and the problem is not solved. The fan said that after asking several masters on the internet, they all say that need to paste the motherboard and the cord is too high. Do you think need to paste the motherboard if the iPhone 7 no service? Let's try together. If I fix it, please give me a like, okay? Now let me install the card in the mobile phone. Let me check the mobile phone if no service. We can see this one no code.
No.
So let me repair now. Now the iPhone is repaired. Let me test the function and let me see if the iPhone have service. Okay, the mobile phone is repaired. Let me install the mobile phone. Now the mobile phone has been repaired. Guess how much to repair it? And do you have the cheaper way to fix it? Tell me in the comment section. See you next time. Bye.